fighters, we're here to talk with you today about how to do the side kick. So Drew's going to start in a nice fighter stance for his side kick. Now typically in the fighter stance our toes are pointed more towards 2 o'clock, but for a side kick, especially as a beginner, it's okay to point your toes more at the 3 o'clock position so that your body is completely sideways to your target that's at 12 o'clock. So Drew's starting in his fighter stance, he still has his hands up, his elbows in, and he's still squeezing his core tight. Just like all of our other kicks, he has 4 parts to his side kick. So as he chambers his leg for that side kick, he's pointing his hip at his target instead of his knee. For our other kicks, we use our knee, but for the side kick, we're using our hip. He has his toes pulled back and his foot is turned slightly in so that his heel and his blade are aiming to hit as his target. So as he extends his foot, he's aiming to hit his target with the heel and the blade of his foot. He recoils and then plants his foot back down every single time. For our side kick, we're always using the front leg. So Drew will show us a couple more side kicks with that front leg, focusing on still keeping the hands up, the elbows are in, and he's getting all 4 parts of the kick with each side kick. This is how you can knock out side kicks in your 9-round workouts.